everyone. Welcome back to my channel Travel Luxury with Ruchika. So as you already know, I am in Maldives. Yes, and in Maldives, which island? Fari Island. And which hotel? Ritz-Carlton. So in Ritz-Carlton, I am going to spend few of my night in this overwater 2-bedroom villa. So today I will be giving you the showround of my villa. But before that, I would like to show you, just see how beautiful and mesmerizing it is. This is the entrance of the villa. When the entrance is so wonderful, how the villa is going to be. Let's see. So before we enter, we have the umbrellas. By chance if it rains, anytime we can pick it up and use them. So as soon as we get inside the villa, this is the living room. With the magnificent beauty outside the living room. The living room itself is no doubt very beautiful and comfortable, but the outside is more exciting. So first of all, this is the dining area. This is the dining table where we can sit and have lunch and dinner with our family. So these are the welcome amenities the hotel has kept, and few Corona beers to enjoy and fresh fruits. This is the owner's bar. So this bar is for me, and all the things inside the bar are free. So how beautiful it looks. Actually, I just want to show you. Just see. And when it opens, it brings a lot of surprises inside. So the surprise starts from here. This is the mini bar, and inside the mini bar there are chocolates, fresh juices, variety of cokes, and variety of milk. Definitely hard drinks are also there, but they are paid. Rest everything is free for me. Means if you are coming, free for you. So all these snacks also are absolutely free, and every day they will replenish. They will put new packets if you consume, nuts to consume. First of all, I'll finish this. Definitely glasses are there, coffee making machine, kettle, everything is there. So this area is really exciting because whenever you are hungry, you have to just reach this area and you will be full. So all these are the different brands of the liquors available here in the owner's bar. Now this is the dining area, drawing area, where we have the sofas and the couch to sit and enjoy the view of the ocean. So everything here is so wonderful because of the ocean. And these are the extra towels kept here, so that whenever and however we want, we can use them. So first of all, I will show you how it looks. So it has a private pool as well. So as soon as we come out, this is my private pool, which I am going to enjoy. With the pool just next to it. These are the sunbeds for me to enjoy. Are you liking them? Just sitting here, lying down, lazy mornings, lazy evenings will give you a different kind of pleasure. I am definitely enjoying it and loving it. So if you come to the other side of the pool, this is another section where we have this table and chair and the sitting arrangement, where in the evening we All the whole family can sit comfortably and have talks and tea and high tea and snacks and all the things from the bar, owner's bar, with the view of the ocean. You can also enjoy the sunset in the evening. Would you like to sit here comfortably and enjoy the sunset? Yes. Now I can sit here for long, long hours. Just watching the ocean is really so peaceful. From here we can also have the view of the other villas. On the left hand side, if we see from here we will be able to see the other overwater villas. Now let's get inside. As I told you that it is a 2-bedroom villa, so I'll just take you first to the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, which is very nice and comfortable, and a very inviting bed, beautiful wooden decor everywhere, and the most exciting thing in the bedroom is the bathtub, which is very rare to find. And the other most exciting thing is yes, just look at it. From there we can have the view of the ocean while taking bath in the bathtub. And the other exciting thing is this ocean view, which is really mesmerizing in the morning. When we get up and get to see the ocean in front of our eyes really get widened. So this is the main reason why people love the overwater villas, because you are able to enjoy the peace and serenity of the nature with the nature. Just spending some hours here with the family members or sometimes alone also gives you a different kind of experience. So experience is everything which makes the life better and better. To rejuvenate the life condition, people come to Maldives and they enjoy to the fullest. With this, I'll take you to the other section, which is the walk-in closet. It has wash basin for him and her. All the products which they are using are from Bomford. It's a UK based brand which is really wonderful to use. The hotel has kept here the lifeguards, life jackets, the Ritz-Carlton bag, beach bag, and these hats to use in the sun. Oh. With this, I'll show you. This is the shower cabin, where we have the overhead shower and the hand shower. Again, you can see all the products from the Bomford. And another surprise, which is an open air shower. Like whenever we go down, there is a staircase. Using this staircase, I can instantly get down to the ocean. And after taking a dip in the ocean, you can see there are fishes as well. So after taking the dip in the ocean or spending few minutes, I can come back and directly reach the open air shower where I can take the shower and directly get inside the room, bathroom first of all, and then the other sections of the suite without getting the other sections wet. So here is the WC. The hotel also provides the slippers to use for the guest. Now with this we are going to the other bedroom. So this is the other bedroom. This is a twin bedroom with a sitting arrangement to sit and enjoy the evening tea and great talks with the family and the television to enjoy. And the mesmerizing view all the time whenever you just remove the sheet and the curtain. So we have already reached the walk-in closet. So this is the same closet as the other section had. So here we have the WC. Again the beach bag of Ritz-Carlton, hats and slippers. Life jackets also are there. These are the hangers if we need them anytime. Here we have the shower cabin. And everywhere you will find the same products. Bumford. And the bathrobe of Ritz-Carlton. So are you liking the view? Do you want to spend few nights here? Who would not like? Everybody. So what do you feel? How is the villa? Do you still like the sunset villa? The overwater villa? Or what is your choice? You like the beach villa? Which one is your choice? You have to tell me. I like this overwater villa more than the sunset villa. I have experienced both. And this is what I am really admiring a lot. Every time my eyes are on the ocean only. So what do you think? How much should be the tariff? The tariff of sunset villa, beach villa should be more, or the tariff of overwater villa should be more? Okay, let's talk about this one. Definitely sunset is more, beach villa is more expensive, but this overwater villa also is not less. It is costing around $8,000 per night. But this time I have not paid in money, I have paid in points. So I am just going to pay 1 lakh